Silly eggs, don't miss them. A super easy dish and a very affordable recipe. We cut 200 grams of bread into pieces and bake them at 120 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. While this is in the oven, we chop a sprig of fresh parsley. So good. We'll add 2 cloves of garlic, which we'll crush inside with a garlic press. It'll take us about 20 seconds. My bread is ready now. It's been in the oven for 8 minutes, so I'm going to cut it into pieces. Why? I'm using an electric chopper. Here we go. A large bowl. Inside are all the breadcrumbs to make our huevos tontos, also known as huevos bobos in some regions, like in your country. To these breadcrumbs, we add 120 milliliters of milk and patiently stir with a kitchen spatula. Time to add the mixture we've prepared with parsley and garlic. Stir well, turn a few times and it's ready. The recipe says that 2 eggs will be used. In my case, I think it would be even better with 3. Enjoy your meal, whisks and a fork. The important thing is that it's well beaten, and once we have it beaten, we'll add it to the mixture. Enjoy your meal. We'll also add a pinch of salt to give it a bit of punch. Don't overdo it, because the bread itself already has salt, so just a pinch of salt. And then we'll stir to mix in both the salt and the egg with the bread. Once mixed, knead the dough by hand. Form a compact ball to use as the base for our recipe, and here we're going to take out our little balls that will fry. That's it, super easy. Ball shape, like you're going to make a meatball. Flatten it a little and keep going like this until you've turned all our dough into these balls. Once we have them, we just go to the pan. Very hot oil, and we're going to put them in. No problem, they won't stick, don't worry. We just have to keep a close eye on them because they cook really fast. Enjoy your meal. I've used mild olive oil because it's great for frying. Sunflower oil is no problem either. You can also use sunflower oil. As soon as they're ready, we flip them over. We want them golden brown. I'm telling you, it takes very little time. In a matter of seconds, they'll be ready. When they're fried on both sides, take them out. Let them rest on absorbent paper so they lose the excess oil. And that's it. Here you go. There it is. Huevos tontos, a leftover recipe made with bread from the day before. It turns out fantastic. Amazing recipe, Russ. Who can top this? Just look at those huevos tontos. They're delicious. Thank
you for watching the video.